I started traveling young with my parents, and before I was even 18, they had taken me to about 10 US states and I think about 3 Caribbean islands. I didn't really travel for a few years after I turned 18 because of, school and trying to figure out your life and all of that, but my first solo trip that really got me wanting to explore more of the world on my own was whenever I was 22 and I went to Los Angeles, California for a week. After that, I decided to go really big, I guess, because I just randomly decided that I was going to go to Thailand for 2 weeks by myself whenever I was about 24 years old. And ever since then, I've visited over 30 US states and another 5 countries. My hope with Better Wander is to hopefully share the knowledge and give people courage to go out and explore this big, beautiful world, because I have learned so much about myself and just how the world works in general that I think, honestly, the world would be a better place if more people experienced this. At Better Wander, all of the creators are just as passionate about travel as I am, and they just want to give everybody the tools that they need to enjoy the world as much as they do. You'll find information on destinations, how you can get there, and just about any other travel-related question that you could possibly think of. What you won't find at Better Wander is us trying to sell you on something because we're getting something out of it. We truly just want to give you the correct information and the correct tools so that you can go out and explore the world and have the best possible experience.